this is the Charmed Mini Album, and it's just been used with 8x8 papers. And it has pockets. More pockets there. Another pocket there. More pockets there. Closed with a swivel. And there's more pockets. Opens up, opens out. More pockets here, and here, and here. And then we've got another swivelly page, flip-flap page here. And then you've got your final pockets on the inside as well. And then the back, decorated glossy accents again, because it would be rude not to. That's our postage stamp die on there. And then that's the front. Bye.